Yeah, watch her smile and wave while the world caves. Ooh. See her posted up, fresh fit every day. No cap, they all think she's living major, but they don't see behind those selfie takes. The way she holds it down when no one's gazing. Every comment section full of flame. She living rent free in their brains. But if they saw her last night away from fame, they catch her crying on the train. Face beat, but the tears stay hidden. On top, but inside she ain't winning. On top, but inside she ain't winning. Got her DMs blowing up with praise, but she been staring at that screen since yesterday. Validation like a drug she can't shake. Real feelings buried deep, that's her escape. Look close and you might catch her slipping through the cracks between a caption and a mood. She put that filter on to block the truth. Now everyone believes she can't lose. Face beat, but the tears stay hidden. On top, but inside she ain't winning. On inside she ain't winning. She ain't gotta fake it. She ain't gotta make it look so perfect when it's hurting. I see right through the highlight reel. Know exactly how the pressure feels. Wanna tell her that it's cool to heal. Drop that front and let yourself be real. Time to own those scars you try to seal, 'cause that's the only way to deal. Let it break, let it spill. That's where the real power lives for real. Face deep, but the tears stay hidden. On top, but inside she ain't winning. Moving past midnight, all alone with these thoughts in my mind, still beneath my feet. Can't tell if I'm lost or I'm free. Late at night, my mind's on flight. Past stations flash through tinted glass, I'm riding high. Silent seats around me speak of stories left behind, yeah, that's just life. Tunnel vision got me focused, no destination, so I'm floating past reflections of windows. Who wants to be? Damn. Every stop I could exit, but something keeps me moving forward through these underground moments where reality is distorted. All alone, but I'm good here, moving through space and time. Nobody else can steal. This moment is all mine. Watch me glide through the night, feel alive in this ride. Fuck what they all say back home, I found peace in being on my own. Every station's got a message, but I'm ready to decode it yet. Momentum building in my chest as I flow through the still descent. Empty seats become a throne in this kingdom that I call my own. Motion rocking side to side, got me feeling like I'm hypnotized. Underground queen with no crown, but I feel royal in this metal town. Sometimes I wonder if I'll ever stop, or keep on rolling till the morning comes. These metal chambers hold my secrets close, while I figure out which way to go. All alone, but I'm good here, moving through space and time. Nobody else can steer This moment is all mine. Watch me cry, go the night, feel alive in the sky. Let me float away, away. Lying here so still, time moves so slow. Nothing left to say, just let it flow. Don't need to try, don't need to know. Just breathe inside and let it go. Let me drift, let me float away. Let me drift, there's nothing left to say. Let me drift, let me float away. Just float away. Let me drift into another day. Every breath I take pulls me down deep. Every move I make so bittersweet. Found my peace at last in letting go. The moments past just flow and flow. Let me drift, let me float away. Let me drift, there's nothing left to say. Let me drift, let me float away. Just float away. Let me drift into another day. I'm not fighting anymore, I'm not trying anymore. Just floating, floating, just drifting, drifting. Let me drift, let me float away. Let me drift, there's nothing left to say.